Hello, hello, hello. Welcome from Houston Massage Therapy, a relief and recovery specialist. Live to you from Houston, Texas, of course. So today we are going to go a bit over blood cancer awareness and the differences between massage and oncology massage, which are, a little more, oncology massage is a little more specialized for cancer. So without further ado, we'll kind of get right into it. September is Blood Cancer Awareness Month. And it was designated as Blood Cancer Awareness to support patients affected by blood cancer and to spread awareness. So, got some facts here. I want to show you guys. Well, not show you, but they'll be here. Alright, so, to help kind of spread awareness and to raise funds to progress research on blood cancer. There are three main types of blood cancer. I actually had to do a little more research into each one of them myself. Leukemia, lymphoma, and myeloma. Now, let's see, what was it, leukemia? Well, I guess the main difference is they're all blood cancers, but the main difference is that leukemia is in the bone marrow, cancer of the bone marrow and blood. We've got lymphoma, which is blood cancer that affects the immune system. And then we've got myeloma, which is the blood cancer of the plasma cells. So, sorry. Mute. Notification. So those are the kind of the three main differences between those, but there are many different types of blood cancer. Nearly 1.3 million people in the U.S. are in remission or in treatment for blood cancer, and treatment has advanced pretty greatly over the years, increasing survival rates, but there is, obviously still a long way to go. So this is what I found was a bit interesting, was the history of blood cancer awareness. So it's crucial, of course, for increasing fundraising efforts and awareness on blood cancer, and since the mid-1970s, survival rates have increased by 25% as a result of this ongoing endeavor. In 2010, Congress designated September as Blood Cancer Awareness Month. Every month, an estimated 14,000 people are diagnosed with blood cancer in the U.S., and blood cancer has always remained a stubborn challenge. I mean, Jesus. Even after the first generation of chemotherapy, drugs were introduced in the mid-1950s. Okay. Alright, so 1832, first description of lymphoma was by a British doctor named Thomas Hodgkin, and he publishes the first clinical description of lymphoma. In the early 20th century, new radiation discoveries such as X-rays make the first radiation therapies for lymphoma successful. And in 1949, in the Leukemia Society, troubled by the lack of effective treatments, Rudolph and Antoinette de Villers established the Robert Rosier de Villers Foundation, which would later become the Leukemia Society. So that was pretty interesting. I didn't really know a lot of that. That's pretty cool. Nope, wasn't it? Oh gosh. Gotta turn off the music for you guys. You can hear me. Alright. Anyway. So, different ways on how to observe blood cancer awareness. Kind of go over a few of them. One is to, volunteer. Anyone can become a leukemia or lymphoma society volunteer. You just head over to their website and apply for one of the opportunities for volunteering. They'll kind of give you a place kind of close to homes, of course. You can get involved in local events or charitable fundraisers hosted by the organizations. Honestly, I feel like that might be a better way, but heading to the website is a great way to find out if there's anything near you as well. And of course, become an advocate. Advocacy is critical for this, and the more people that know that the disease is talked about, the better. And we've got some blood cancer facts that are worth knowing, according to them. Yes, this is more recent. All right, so blood cancer death toll. Someone in the United States dies from blood cancer approximately every 9 minutes. That's wild. That is wild. The projected figure for 2020 is more than 50,640. Really? 2020? That's terrible. And the three main types, of course, leukemia, lymphomas, and myeloma. Let's see. Why Blood Cancer Awareness Month is important. We've got, of course, helps to raise awareness and increase the participation of affected people as well as volunteers in research. More research means a better understanding of the disease and prevention and cure. Well, yeah. Supporting loved ones, always want to do that. We stand in solidarity with those who have loved ones affected by blood cancer and the patients. In this challenging time, grief shared is grief halved. Kind of a nice thought, And of course, it encourages early detection. So, since the symptoms aren't confirmed, Blood Cancer Awareness Month encourages people to get checkups done and for possible signs of the disease, for early detection and treatment. Yeah, it's pretty wild how much it can definitely affect people. Um, the main thing, especially with massage, is that they've had so many advances in their research with that kind of stuff that they've created like this specialized form of massage called oncology massage, which is pretty interesting. I've taken maybe one or two different oncology massage continuing education courses, but definitely nothing to where there's like this deep understanding of the contraindications and the different types of treatments that you're able to do and adjustments that you can do, according to that. The main thing, let's see. So the main thing is that, let's see, where is it at? Oh, what I was trying to do. There we go. All right, a little easier to see over here. All right. So massage therapy is a well-known method for promoting relaxation, relieving tension, improving an overall well-being. However, when it comes to individuals with cancer or a history of cancer, because it's not just people that currently have cancer, a specialized approach is required to kind of ensure optimal safety and comfort for the client. So, cancer being a formidable adversary that affects millions of people around the world, for those battling the disease, the physical and emotional toll can be overwhelming. So, it's not just the physical benefits, but the mental and emotional benefits that people get from massage therapy. The main differences between the two, traditional massage therapy, we receive various training with different types of massage techniques, and we are equipped to work with a very wide range of clients. However, they don't really go into like specifics whenever you're getting your massage license. That would definitely be something like a path you kind of go down further down the line after you get your license. A couple different instances would be something like people kind of working more with like sports related injuries, things like that. So like sports massage, um, pregnancy massage. People a lot of times will work in like hospitals, with pregnant women and things like that. So they kind of try to specialize with that particular route. The same goes with oncology massage. Oncology massage therapists, they go through specialized training to kind of work with cancer patients specifically, and they have a much deeper understanding of cancer treatments, side effects, and the importance of adapting massage techniques to meet the unique needs of each individual client, because that's incredibly important. Um, as far as adjusted techniques, massage therapists may involve deeper pressure, more vigorous movements, and that can be kind of unsuitable for cancer patients. One of the one of the one of the modalities, as we like to call them in the massage world, is oh my god, I'm having a brain fart. Is lymphatic drainage, which is definitely a lot lighter. It deals a lot with the lymph nodes, the lymphatic system, and that particular style of massage has had really awesome, you know, research done to it, and can definitely benefit uh, people with cancer. Um, so the benefits of oncology massage for cancer patients and survivors. As far as management, cancer and its treatments can result in various physical discomforts, pain, muscle tension, and fatigue. And so oncology massage can provide relief by reducing that muscle tension, increasing blood circulation, which is going to be helping that healing system of your body. 1 second. And it also helps to promote the release of endorphins, which act as natural painkillers. So you're just walking around feeling great, and it's just a natural kind of what's the word I'm looking for? Massage helps to kind of like speed up and promote that healing process that your body already has. That a lot of times can be blocked by that tension, that blood retention, the swelling, things like that. Stress reduction is huge with cancer patients and survivors. Stress itself, the saying "stress is a killer" is definitely, is definitely a real one. It can affect so many things in your life, from your appetite to like how you handle things in life, your emotions. And so cancer diagnosis and treatment can lead to intense stress and anxiety. I mean, anxiety is no joke. Have you seen Inside Out 2? Anxiety is wild. And oncology massage has been shown to alleviate a lot of emotional distress by promoting relaxation, reducing cortisol levels, and the stress hormone. Sleep itself is going to be a big, big deal. If you're not getting any sleep, it's going to affect you so much day to day, with how you're thinking, how you can kind of differentiate with a lot of different things. And so many cancer patients and survivors struggle with sleep disturbances. Oncology massage can help improve that quality of sleep by relaxing the body and the mind so that they can have a more like restful night's sleep. Even if it is like 5 or 6 hours, it's much more restful, and it lasts for a good while generally, unless there's greater stressors involved, and that itself, does can affect it. So we have to keep that in mind. Quality of life is a big, big deal, especially for cancer patients. If they're nearing that end, you address both the physical and the emotional aspects of well-being. And oncology massage can significantly improve the overall quality of life for cancer patients and survivors. It fosters a sense of normalcy and self-care during a challenging journey. We all really need that, but it's especially for cancer patients and survivors. One of the things that your body just kind of naturally does is heal itself. And so, with massage therapy and, of course, oncology massage therapy, you get that improved circulation, which helps to kind of boost your immune system. Um, the cancer treatments can sometimes affect blood circulation. So and that leads to issues such as edema, which is swelling, and massage techniques can help stimulate lymphatic flow, which reduces swelling and it promotes a much better circulation. So just kind of that's what I'm looking for. It kind of releases so much tension that it provides your body to kind of let it have that healing aspect to it. A lot of things get blocked up over time, and that just is no fun. Emotional support is very important with that. The therapeutic touch of an oncology massage therapist that an oncology massage therapist can provide, a sense of comfort, emotional support, and the opportunity to connect with someone who kind of understands their experience. So many times, especially with this type of pain, where people don't really believe that someone can be in pain from that, and so a lot of times the cancer patient or the survivor, can feel that their feelings are very much invalidated from that sort of thing. And that, we don't want to do that just even to anybody. Your feelings are very valid. Always. Feelings are very valid. And so having someone that kind of understands that and kind of sees that, this is real is a lot of times can be just what helps that person just so much more than just even massage, honestly. Having someone that understands and willing to kind of listen to their pain and how it's affecting them. Learning relaxation techniques and self-massage from a trained therapist also empowers cancer patients. Cancer patients and survivors, they need to be able to take control of their well-being, and having skills that they can use at home where they're not having to really depend on anyone and have more of a sense of independency again is huge for that person. Not being able to do a lot of the things you were able to do before, it just is not fun. I can't even fathom. That's wild. And so, in summary, oncology massage is specialized and gentle form of massage. One of those forms is, I think I mentioned it before, was lymphatic drainage massage. It is very light. It specifically targets the lymphatic system, the lymphatic nodes, and helps to kind of push that stuff along so that your body can start healing itself again. And so, when considering massage therapy for cancer patients, it is crucial to seek out certified oncology massage therapists, with the necessary training and expertise to ensure, a safe and supportive experience. For sure. That's number one. The other thing, you also want to kind of double check with your doctor to make sure that that's going to be something, they'll have a better understanding of that particular cancer that, they've kind of been working with you on, and how it's going to affect you, or, just kind of offer different perspectives. Always get different perspectives, and try to learn as much as you can whenever you're seeking treatment for that sort of thing. Because while it can be super beneficial, when you get the session and you get the correct treatment, it can also be, a deterrent to your health whenever you're getting the wrong type of treatment. And so there are different ways to actually check massage therapists' different types of certifications and things like that. You just need to kind of get their license number. And when you put their license number in Google, here, let me actually see. I haven't looked mine up in a while. Let me see. Yeah, like my name comes up, which is, you can put in MT106884. Here, let me, T106884. So if you type that into Google, you can actually look up the massage therapist. You can look up what they've done, you know, where they're mentioned, things like that. It's actually pretty cool. I haven't actually looked mine up in a long time. LinkedIn, Yelp, and massagetherapy.com. That's probably where you'll get the best one from. But yeah, and so you always want to check that particular therapist's credentials and make sure that, you know, what they're going to be able to offer you is going to be helpful for your particular situation. So. My little tiny hand mic. All right. Well, I think most of that information pretty much coincides with what the stream was for today. And so it was a message from a client. I thought they were going to be booking for tomorrow, so I just had to double check. The joys of being on call. Oncology Massage. No, see, that was a bad joke. I should not be making those jokes. That's bad. All right. Well, I think we are good to go as far as that particular subject goes. If y'all have any other questions about it, or any other sources to kind of look at, please, you know, drop them in the comments. That would be amazing. And, you know, I look forward to next week's stream. Let's see, what do we have planned for next week? Just a second, guys. Ooh, all right. So next week, we are going to be covering healthy aging. It's also National Recovery Month and Self-Improvement Month. So I feel like all three of those kind of fall into the very similar category. I think we're going to cover all three of those in next week's stream. So if you'd like to check it out, stay tuned. And if you miss us next time or miss us this time, we will have this video uploaded to YouTube, which is also in our description. If you want to check that out for last week's stream, where we go over understanding animal pain and animal pain awareness for the month of September. So I really appreciate you guys sticking around and hanging out, and we look forward to some more of these. These, you know, it's been something that we've been kind of wanting to do for a while, so now that we've kind of pulled the trigger, it's a little more exciting, and I'm really looking forward to kind of helping as many people as we can. One of the things we really do here at Houston Massage Therapy is try to get the information out for the public, because a lot of people don't really understand how massage can really help on a much, you know, deeper level versus just it being like a relaxing experience. And that's really where the inspiration for starting this particular channel came from, is getting the word out there about massage therapy and pain relief. So we hope you guys have a wonderful evening, and we will see you next time. Bye.